Hey guys, Two Wheel Tiz here. So, if you watch my previous video, I put the catalytic converter back on because I lost the two bolts to hold the Akrapovic slip-on exhaust. So I decided to put on the factory can and then the catalytic converter, just put it all back to stock really, in the X-up valve. And then after that I took it for a ride and decided that it was way too quiet, especially after having the link pipe and the slip-on. You get used to the noise, it sounds so good. Like I was like, oh, I really want to bring it back to what I had before. So I changed it up once again, and this time I've gone with the Akrapovic link pipe and the factory slip-on. Pretty much because I can't use the Akrapovic one at the moment until I get the mounting bracket and the bolts back, which will take a few months to get here, and the estimated ship date's at the end of December, so it's going to be a wee while. So I'm going to give you a sound test of what it's like with the link pipe and the factory end can. In my opinion, it's actually louder, slightly louder than the Akrapovic one, and I'm thinking probably because it's the factory exhaust, or the factory end can is actually a little bit shorter compared to the Akrapovic one, which is actually a little bit longer, which comes out to probably about here or so. But I'll give you a sound test so you can hear for yourself. If you want to save money in the future and just go yourself with the factory muffler and then the Akrapovic link pipe, will save you, $700-800. That's US, and in New Zealand dollars, it's it's well over $1,000. So we'll give you a sound test. Start it up for you. So here we go. So it's a warm start, obviously, by the coast. Lovely day. Got bottle. Sounds amazing. If you want to save money, you don't even need that Akrapovic slip-on. Just go to the link pipe, and that will do you. So there you go. That's the sound with the factory slip-on and the Akrapovic link pipe. Pretty awesome, for my opinion. So if you want to go that route, save a bit of money, go for it. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.